Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner beauty. Say what you have cannot be purchased at the store or online. This is what you dug deep for. Doing that character carving, shedding all the layers that do not qualify to your highest being and to your highest good, to where you're going. Positive energy, gratitude, and being light and loving is attracting you and taking you to the level that you are right now. I want you to continue. And make sure when you look in the mirror, you give yourself that. Be your biggest cheerleader. Say that I'm so beautiful and handsome. Thank you for not giving up. Thank you for pressing forward. Thank you for not always worrying about money, making sure that you can impress people by your finances or by your objects or by the things that you, by the tangible thing, objects, the chains, the clothing, the brands. No, your energy. You made sure that is so intoxicating and so attractive, and it takes work. I want to give you all the credit for that, Capricorn, because what you're doing, I need you, the world needs you, and you look good while you do it. I open my eyes to and eyes of my heart, and I directly gaze to the light within every being. Personality and physical appearance are in the image of man, but beauty and goodness is in the image of God. And you're reflecting your God-like features and your glow. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.